students, good morning. Welcome to the English class. I hope you all are happy and fine. So dear students, let us do a quick review of what we did in our previous class. So in our previous class, we have completed module 6 from our English workbook. And what are the things we discussed? First, we discussed about the elements of a story. So how many parts are there? How many elements are there in a story? Basically, number one, we had a title, then that represents the name of the story. Second, we have the characters and that represents the people, animals, etc. of the story. The third one is the setting, that is where the story takes place. And fourthly, that is the events. It represents that the things that happen in a story. So these are the four elements of a story that we discussed. And also we have discussed a comprehension based passage. So I hope you have gone through that and did your work properly. So today in this class we are going to do the revision of module 1, okay, for our forthcoming half yearly examination. So here we go. So let us discuss the objective of today's class. The objective of today's class is to enable the students to revise the concept of nouns and naming words, common nouns and proper nouns. We will also revise the male and female nouns along with the naming and action parts. So these are the things that we are going to do in this class today. So here we'll start from naming words, that is called noun. The names given to people, places, animals and things around us are called as naming words. So naming words are also called as nouns. Dear students, you already know about all these things. It is just a revision of all the things that we have finished. So first it is the noun, that is also called as the naming words. So the names given to any people, place, animal or things around us are called as naming words. Now further, naming words are divided into common nouns and proper noun. Number one, common naming words that are also called as the common nouns. Now the common nouns names given to people, places, animals or things in general, they are called as the common noun. And on the other hand, they do not begin with a capital letter. That means whenever we write a common noun, we always write with small letter. Our next one is special names. Special naming words or proper noun. Now here it is, it names a particular person, place, animals or thing, and they always begin with capital letters. So special names or proper noun refers to a particular person, place, animal or thing, and whenever we write a proper noun, we always write with a capital letter. I hope students it is very clear to you. So in our next slide, we have male and female nouns. It is very easy. Number one, male nouns. So what are male nouns? It represents the names of boys, man and male animals. And it is also called as the masculine gender noun. And on the other hand, the female nouns represent the names of girls, women and female animals. And it is also called as the feminine gender noun. That is, the male nouns represent the boys or the male genders, and the female nouns represent the girl, woman, female or the female gender, that are the female animals. So this is also called as the feminine gender noun. So I hope it is clear to you. Further, we move towards the next topic that we have to revise in this module. Is the important thing is the naming parts and action parts of sentences. Now, a sentence has two parts, that is a naming part and an action part. Now the naming part represents the noun and the action part represents the verb, that where the action takes place in a particular sentence. The number one, the naming part tells us who or what the sentence is about. So the naming part tells us about the particular who or what the sentence is all about. On the other hand, the action part tells us what the naming part does. So this is the naming part, and this action part tells us what the naming part is doing in that particular sentence. So this is all about the naming part and action part. So dear students, these are the important topics that we have already discussed in module 1 from our English workbook. Today I have just done a revision, a little brush up of those important topics from the module 1. Please go through all these important topics from this module 1. It will help you to remember the things well, so that you will not have any difficulty in writing any of the questions that will come from this module in your forthcoming half-yearly examination. So dear students, let us come towards the summary of today's class. So what we have done, first we have discussed the nouns or naming words. Second, we have discussed the common names and the proper nouns. And on the other hand, last we have discussed the naming parts and action parts of a sentence. So dear students, that is all about today's class. I hope it is clear to you, though it is already clear to you earlier today, or once again I have revised it for your better understanding. So I hope students you will learn it more well and more properly. So I hope you will be going through it well. So this much for today. Thank you and have a nice day.